Welcome all, welcome in my channel Let Us Learn. I am Himadate and today we are going to construct angles 60 degree, 30 degree, 15 degree and 120 degree angles. Class 9th Mathematics. So let us learn. So first of all we'll draw a ray. O is the initial point of the ray and A is the point we can put just before the arrow of the ray. You can see this is OA ray. Now with center O and any convenient radius, will draw an arc to cut the ray OA. And the point of intersection, we can name it E. From center E and with the same radius without changing it, we'll draw the earlier first arc at a point. That point we can name B. We'll join the point B with O and we'll draw a ray. This angle is 60 degree. If you join B and E, you will see that OB, OE and EB, they all have equal lengths. So they are forming equilateral triangle here. Triangle OBE is an equilateral triangle and we know that each angle in an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So each angle is 60 degree. Therefore angle O is also 60 degree. As we have constructed angle 60 degree, we can also make more angles using this. Now with center E and the radius more than half of BE, will draw an arc inside angle BOA. Similarly, with center B and radius more than half of the distance of BE, will intersect the previous arc. We get an intersection point F. We join the intersection point F with O and we draw a ray. We see that angle 60 is divided into two equal angles and each is 30 degree. Further, if we want to construct an angle of 15 degree, so we will have to make angle bisector of angle 30 degree. So for 30 degree, with center E and radius more than half of the distance EH, will draw an arc inside angle 30 degree and with center H, we will draw the arc intersecting the previous arc without changing the radius and we'll get an intersection point G. We'll join the point of intersection G with O. We'll get an angle bisector of angle 30 degree. So we'll get each angle 15 degree. So we have learned how to construct an angle of 60 degree. Half of it means 30 degree and again half of it means 15 degree. If we want to construct an angle of 120 degree, so first of all the steps of construction for 60 degree we will have to do. Now with the same radius, distance equal to BE and center B, will draw an arc to cut the first arc which we have drawn to for the construction of angle 60 degree. We get a point and we join the point with O, will draw a ray. This angle actually the double of 60 degree. So this angle is 120 degree. So we have learned the construction of angle 60 degree, 30 degree, 15 degree and 120 degree. Here you can see the final image of all these constructions we have done. Thank you for watching my channel Let Us Learn and enjoy learning.